Imagine a world where your business operates tirelessly, independent of your physical presence. This dream is now a reality for countless entrepreneurs who leverage AI technology to create fully automated businesses. These innovative solutions handle everything from customer inquiries to sales transactions, allowing you to enjoy life's pleasures while your profits grow silently in the background. The first step in creating this automated empire begins with selecting the right AI tools for your business needs. Various platforms offer capabilities for e-commerce, chatbots, and comprehensive marketing automation. By utilizing these tools, you can design a seamless customer experience that requires minimal oversight. The right combination of AI can respond to inquiries, provide recommendations, and even facilitate sales, all while you're asleep or enjoying a well-deserved vacation. Next comes the crucial aspect of setting up your business model. Determine the niche market where you want to thrive. Conduct research to identify pain points and desires within that sector. Craft digital products or services that address these needs and can be delivered automatically. This could include online courses, ebooks, or subscription services that run without the need for constant supervision. Once your product is defined, create a strong online presence. Websites become your virtual storefront, and AI-driven marketing tools can optimize your reach. From social media scheduling to automated email campaigns, these tools engage potential customers 24/7, driving traffic to your site and generating interest. With every click and interaction, your business collects valuable data, which AI can analyze to improve future strategies. As you observe your business gaining traction, it's important to monitor performance via analytics. AI systems often come equipped with reporting features, allowing you to understand customer behavior and sales trends without diving into complex data yourself. This insight helps you tweak your offerings or marketing strategies, ensuring your business adapts and thrives in an ever-changing market. In conclusion, the concept of running a fully automated business with the assistance of AI is not just a fantasy, it's a tangible opportunity. As you explore the tools and strategies available, remember that thousands have successfully built their fortunes while enjoying the freedom that comes with automation. Embrace the age of AI and watch your entrepreneurial dreams unfold, all while you go about your life doing what you love. Imagine a world where you can launch a business with minimal effort and maximum efficiency. A 100% AI-powered business transforms this dream into reality. Picture setting everything up once and letting advanced algorithms take charge of daily operations. In this new business landscape, AI meticulously oversees product creation. It analyzes trends and customer demands, developing products that resonate with the target market. Marketing, once a daunting task filled with creative headache, becomes a streamlined process as AI crafts tailored campaigns that reach your audience effectively, utilizing data analytics to optimize content and spending automatically. Customer support, traditionally a human-centered task, evolves into an AI-managed service. Chatbots equipped with natural language processing provide immediate assistance, answering queries and resolving issues round the clock, ensuring customer satisfaction without the stress of constant oversight. Sales funnels, too, are tackled by AI, which monitors user behavior, predicts purchasing patterns, and automates marketing workflows to nurture leads seamlessly until conversion. All of this happens while you sit back and enjoy the fruits of your strategic planning. Analytics is where the true magic unfolds. The AI thoroughly examines all performance metrics, extracting valuable insights that guide your business decisions. You receive concise reports that outline trends and areas for improvement so that you can focus on strategic growth rather than mundane data collection. Data visualization tools further illuminate performance metrics, making it easier to grasp the health of your business at a glance. Website building, often an overwhelming task for entrepreneurs, is also simplified by AI. You can generate a professional and responsive website with user-friendly interfaces in mere minutes. With a few clicks, your digital storefront comes alive, packed with features that optimize user experience. Moreover, the continuous learning abilities of AI ensure that your website evolves alongside current trends to meet customer expectations. Embrace a lifestyle where your primary responsibility shifts from exhausting daily tasks to performance checks. Your job is now about enhancing the strategy, innovating offerings, and scaling operations over time, freeing you to explore the business opportunities of tomorrow. This is the new path to achieving sustainable online income in 2025, marking the evolution of entrepreneurship as we know it. In today's digital age, the allure of automation is undeniable, yet not all businesses lend themselves to effortless automation. Therefore, the first crucial step is to select the right business model. one that thrives on automation rather than manual effort. The right model serves as the foundation, allowing businesses to flourish without the constraints of traditional operations. Digital products stand out as some of the easiest ventures to automate. By creating ebooks, templates, or courses, entrepreneurs can harness technology to produce valuable content that earns income passively. This model eliminates the need for physical inventory, letting creators focus on innovation while their work generates revenue around the clock, offering high profit margins that traditional businesses can only envy. Affiliate marketing offers another enticing option. By promoting others' products through unique referral links, affiliates can earn commissions each time a sale is made via their recommendations. This model thrives on the power of online networks and social proof, making it an ideal match for automation tools that can monitor performance and optimize strategies without constant manual input. Dropshipping and print-on-demand also shine as automated business models. Here, entrepreneurs can sell products without ever handling inventory. When a customer places an order, a third party fulfills the request, dramatically reducing operational overhead. This allows for a wide range of products to be showcased online while generating income with minimal effort, creating a scalable income stream. Automated news or niche blogs represent another sector rich with potential. By utilizing AI for content generation, businesses can maintain a consistent online presence without being tied to daily content creation. This allows for broader engagement with audiences while still generating revenue through advertisements or subscription models, demonstrating the power of automation in content delivery. YouTube or social content channels are another realm where automation excels. By creating engaging video or social media content designed for specific audiences, channels can attract subscriptions and views that translate into income. With algorithms at play, creators can automate engagement strategies, allowing the content to work for them even while they sleep. In today's digital landscape, the intersection of technology and marketing has redefined business growth. Artificial intelligence stands at the forefront, tirelessly working behind the scenes to attract and engage customers daily. The phrase, "This is where the magic happens," encapsulates the transition from traditional marketing methods to an era where AI seamlessly orchestrates content creation and distribution, revolutionizing the way businesses connect with their audience. Content marketing is no longer a task reliant on manual effort. It has evolved into an automated process driven by AI tools. Imagine having the capability to generate captivating YouTube video scripts at the click of a button. This technological advancement not only saves time, but also ensures optimized content tailored to resonate with viewers. The writing process becomes streamlined, allowing creators to focus on delivering high-quality visuals and impactful messages, resulting in increased viewer engagement and retention. But AI's prowess doesn't stop at video scripts. It extends its capabilities to creating blog articles that capture interest and educate the audience. Each piece of content generated reflects intelligence and insight, addressing the specific needs of readers while enhancing the website's SEO efforts. Additionally, AI can generate social media posts that not only inform but also encourage interaction, effectively building a vibrant online community around your brand. Each post is crafted to elicit responses, sparking conversations that can lead to increased brand loyalty and sales. Furthermore, AI can repurpose existing content, breathing new life into established materials and making them relevant for different platforms. This capability ensures that your investment in content creation pays dividends across multiple channels. By adapting content for various formats, businesses can reach wider audiences without the continuous cycle of producing new material from scratch. The added benefit of maximizing existing assets cannot be understated. It leads to efficiency and consistency in messaging while reinforcing brand identity. For those eager to dive into the world of automated AI-driven marketing, the promise of a comprehensive video guide awaits. By simply commenting "Automate," you unlock access to a step-by-step tutorial designed to equip you with the tools needed to build your own AI business. Like the video, subscribe for upcoming insights, and prepare to witness firsthand how AI can transform your marketing strategy, ensuring your brand thrives in the digital age.